Stop.
Please.
Unlock the car.
I'm trying.
You can't leave your kids in the car by themselves like that.
2 different days, 2 different parking lots. Same reckless decision. Stick around because this is Karen's Getting Karma, and the truth only gets worse from here.
Giving you a citation for child endangerment, okay?
On May 31st, 2024, Caddo police in Oklahoma responded to an urgent call. A baby left alone in a vehicle at a casino parking lot during the hottest part of the day, with temperatures near 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether the car was running was unclear, but one question came up immediately: why was a child left there alone?
Is it over there? Is the car running? I can't hear it. I'm stop right here. Get ready real quick. Why are we leaving a baby in the car?
I went to go find his dad.
Why are we leaving an infant in the car?
I went to go find his dad.
This is stuff I put people in prison for. Why are we leaving an infant in the
I was
car?
literally out
I'm not interested. I want to know why you left your child in the
because
car.
I had to go find his dad. My phone was
So it's
dead.
okay to leave that baby to No, I didn't say go over there. Unlock the car for us. Unlock the car. Stop.
Please.
Unlock the car.
I'm trying.
We need to make sure this kid is okay. It's open.
I'm a nurse.
Is that kid okay? Okay.
You got your ID on you, man?
He hasn't.
Do we know how long she was here?
Yeah, she pulled in at 8 a.m. this morning.
No, I didn't leave him in there the whole time.
Okay, let's go over here to this white car right here and let's talk.
Guys, can I just see him for a second? I had him
He's
at...
right here and he's okay.
Hold on. Can I explain something to you?
What?
I had him at 25 weeks.
Okay. Yeah, check on your kid. That's fine.
Bubba.
Let's go over here to this white truck and talk for a minute.
Okay.
Right here's good. This one right here. Where are you coming from?
The mother returns to the car, visibly shaken. She claims she stepped away briefly to look for the baby's father. But when officers ask the key question, how long, her answers start circling. In cases like this, the less specific the timeline, the bigger the problem.
Coming from where?
Work.
Where's work at?
Bailey in Owasso.
What time did you get here?
He had my car.
He had your car, but how long did your child been here?
He hasn't been here the whole time. His dad brought him.
When did his dad?
I don't know. That's why I was trying to find him.
When did you get here?
He brought my car this morning. I was at work.
Okay. What time did you get off work?
7.
11?
7.
7?
This morning?
Yes.
So how did you get here?
He picked me up
And you've been here with him?
with the baby, yes. And then I tried to go in there and find it, but I don't know where he's at. I would never do anything to hurt him. I spent 7 months in the ICU with him.
How long has he been out here by himself?
Baker 11, Baker 13.
I'm literally all he has. I have to call someone.
Can you hold him for a second? Check him. He's gonna hold on to him and check him out.
Why?
So I can talk to you in person without holding your baby. He's not taking your baby away. He's not walking away with it. He's a firefighter that's gonna check him out. I wouldn't let him have him if I didn't trust him.
When asked to unlock the car, she immediately identifies herself as a nurse, bringing up a premature birth and time in the ICU. It sounds familiar, but titles don't cool down cars, and past struggles don't change the fact that the baby was just left alone.
Go back here to my phone and talk. I want to ask you something before I keep talking to you anymore, okay? I'll read you something. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand these rights that I've just read to you?
Yes.
Okay. Keeping those rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me? I just need a yes or a no real quick.
I don't know. I just want to explain.
Just real quick. Having those rights in mind, are you okay with talking to me about what's going on?
I mean, yeah, because I wasn't trying to do anything wrong.
Okay. How long was he left in the car with that? I know the car was running, but how long was he left in the car?
What time is it?
2:56.
Like maybe 20 minutes.
What time did you walk in that casino?
I don't remember. I didn't look at my phone was dead.
So what was the reasoning for going into the casino and leaving him by himself?
One, I had to pee, and two, I was trying to find his dad.
Okay. Why are we trying to find his dad?
Because he was supposed to be.
Have you guys been bringing him inside at all?
Huh?
You've been here since, you said you got here when you got
I
off work.
haven't been here the whole time.
How did you get here with his dad if he's been here since 8 o'clock this morning?
He hasn't been here since his dad.
How long has his dad been here? I think they've been here since about 8 o'clock this morning. The car was running, the kid was left by himself. She came running out at us when we pulled up. So they're looking to see how long he's been by himself. They said she got here with her boyfriend, and then she said something about how he's...
Her story starts to crack. First, it's 20 minutes. Then she can't remember because her phone died. But the casino cameras remember. Records show she entered at 9:30 a.m. and didn't return until police arrived. Not minutes, hours. That's when every excuse falls apart.
Here since 8. She's been off work since 7 this morning, and she's still wearing her scrubs from 7 o'clock this morning. She doesn't know what time she got in there because her watch is now dead. They looking still?
Yeah. A quick review shows that she got out at 9:30 and never came back.
Well, she keeps saying that she didn't get here when he got here, but then that's how she got here was him, so it's not lining up. And I couldn't hear. Was that car running? I can't hear
Yeah,
with the
the car's
music.
running, but it's still really hot.
Right. I'll check real quick.
Yeah, it's still warm, but
There's airflow, but
it's still not cool enough.
I'm sweating just standing out here, so.
He's been here since 9:30 this morning.
That's the way it seems.
We'll talk to her again and see what she says now. She's got,
20 minutes.
they're saying since 9:30 this morning from the cameras.
Well, she says her husband came here with the car.
Right, and she came with him, but then she's her story's bouncing back and forth. She said she came here with him, but then she didn't, but she did.
She said she came from work and her husband.
But she got off work at 7 o'clock this morning and came straight here. They said the only thing they can see is she got here at 9:30, and that's all they can tell. It didn't look like she ever came out, even if it was just 20 minutes. That's 20 minutes at a high crime area in a parking lot with a running car with an infant who can't feed itself because it has a tube. So
Dad's not nowhere around. Huh?
I don't even know.
we ain't seen him.
What was your name, man? Casey. But to be completely honest with you, that's all I know how to be. This is probably one of the most sophisticated camera systems in the United States. It's a casino. They're saying you went in about 9:30 this morning and have not been back out to the car.
Yes, I have.
Why would the camera show you one?
I did come out that.
You did?
What time was that at?
I don't know you guys.
The reason we're being straight up honest with you is because this facility is so sophisticated. They read my face and know everything about me, even though I've never been here before. So they know everything. They have facial recognition, all kinds of fancy stuff. So they have timestamps. They have 2 people that all they do all day long is watch cameras. They've already rewound it since they found your child in the car alone. Said you got out of that car at 9:30 and this morning and walked inside, and you never came back out until you saw law enforcement and security out here. So is that what's the case, or what's the deal? Because I've been honest with you the whole time about what's going on, and I would appreciate the honesty back.
You have a gambling addiction or something like that, we can work with you. But if you're going to lie to us or anything,
No, I'm not.
And you look like you got something on your chest that you're wanting to tell us, but you're upset to tell us about. Is there something you want us to know about?
I'm drinking a lot.
You think you might have a gambling problem?
No.
It's okay if you do. I'm not here to judge you if you do.
No, I mean, I don't know. I didn't realize that.
Did you gamble a little bit when you got here?
You want to stay in the hospital and get him checked out?
Do you want him to be checked out at the facility or anything?
My only he's stable. He's fine.
He's been.
My only concern is he's been in that car since 9:30 this morning.
His dad wasn't out here. They didn't say.
They didn't say, but they said they just said you were out here at 9:30, and it seems like time flew by and we lost track of time.
That's his dad.
When officers lay out the facts, the energy shifts fast. No more arguing, just silence. This is the moment she realizes you can't argue with cameras, and you definitely can't rewind time.
The dad never came out or anything, right? Because that's what she's asking. Baby might be going to the hospital, especially if he's been in the car since 9:30 this morning.
Well, I reviewed it, and I had both of them checked from the front to the back and the back to the front. We didn't see any interaction with the vehicle from
Surveillance
9:30.
said the same thing.
when I seen this,
Stacy, do me a favor and face my car real quick. Turn around for me.
Okay, hold on.
Turn around.
Hold on.
Turn around.
Okay.
Just put your hands behind your back. We will talk here as soon as I get done with this. Have a seat in the back of my car real fast. Do you have any guns, knives, weapons, needles, anything like that on you? Have a seat back here real fast.
Can you just check my
Do you have a diaper bag in there we can have for him?
Yeah, it's just a grate. It's a grate. Yeah, it looks like a backpack.
Okay, we'll get it. Are you okay with me going and getting that?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not going to search your car. I just want to find a good diaper bag for him.
There's nothing in there anyways, but...
The ending is clear. The mother is arrested for child neglect. The baby is safe, but the lesson is costly. One bad decision is all it takes for carelessness to turn into criminal consequences. When it comes to infants, there's no room for risk.
Oh my God. Hello, how are you? You okay?
On February 4th, 2025, police discovered two children, a 1-year-old and a 6-year-old, left alone in an unlocked car in the parking lot of a grocery store in Solon, Ohio. The engine was still running, no adult was present, and at least 15 minutes had passed. It only takes a few careless minutes for an everyday situation to turn into a disaster.
I know. Jeez. Start up. Hello. Are you Mom? Okay. Talk to her.
You guys want to meet me?
We're good. Yeah. You're inside if we need you though. You can't leave your kids in the car by themselves like that.
Well, they were sleeping, and I just wanted to get in there really quick for their dinner. What's wrong? Are they crying or something?
Yeah, they were crying and both doors were unlocked. and all the doors were unlocked.
So anybody can walk up and jump in the car and take off and leave.
Do you have your driver's license on you?
Yes, I do. I'm so tired.
Yeah.
So sorry.
I've had 2 car accidents.
And then, were you just shopping or?
Yeah.
Sit back there.
Yeah, they were crying.
Police issued a citation and made it clear. She was charged with child endangerment and ordered to appear in court. No jail time this time, but enough to show this wasn't just a warning.
I gotta calm my babies down.
Okay. Here's your license.
Thank you.
And we are giving you a citation for child endangerment, okay? And you do have a court date. It's going to be on the 26th of February at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
So this is the first street. So let me put you this way. When we get calls of dogs being left in a hot summer car or whatever, we write the people a ticket for animal cruelty. These are little human beings, right? You take a little more care of them than our own pets.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I'm not saying this will make you a bad mother or anything like that.
It's feelings.
But
Okay.
you got a 1-year-old that needs you. You can't leave them in a car like that.
Yeah, I know. She was sleeping. But I did not know the doors
Someone
were
could have
unlocked.
smashed your car, right?
No, you're right.
Someone could have taken your kids. You know what I mean? But you don't seem like
You're
a
right.
terrible
Thank you.
person or whatever.
Oh, I am not. I promise
The
you.
other option to that would have been actually taking you to jail.
I know. I thought you were
Somebody
about to
coming
do
to
it.
get you.
I know. I appreciate it, though. Thank you for
We're good.
giving me grace. I promise I'm not a bad
If you have any questions, just phone should be a phone number on the back, I believe.
Make sure you got a phone number?
Yeah, let me get a phone number for you.
The children were lucky to be unharmed, but officers warned this happens far too often. Every year, kids are put in danger simply because they're left alone in cars. The rule is simple: no, just for a minute, no convenience excuses. With children, one careless moment can lead to irreversible consequences.